Hey there, everybody. Thomas with Basecamp Trading. It is Monday, November 24th. We're going to take a look here at Bitcoin. And if you were in the trading room with us on Friday, I talked about this and how we expected Friday to be a low, at least short term, because of the blow-off bottom. So this is what a blow-off bottom looks like. This is just a really good example of it. So far, it's playing out just like we expected. Bitcoin's up about a little over 4% on the day. But if you look here on Friday, we had a really big bottoming tail right down where we poked down to that 80,000 level and got bought right back up. And this was done on extremely high volume. That shows capitulation, which is where the buyers kind of get exhausted. They use the last of their powder, and the move is often due for a bounce. Now, this does not mean that Bitcoin has completely bottomed necessarily. It could be. A lot of times, blow-off tops and bottoms will mark the absolute high or low before a longer-term reversal. However, what we want to watch for is the trend to change, because right now we are still lower highs, lower lows on the dailies, and even on the 240s, we're still lower highs, lower lows. I want to see this back up above 95,000 really to confirm, which is a long way away. And then if and when it rolls back to the downside, which it will eventually, we want to see a higher pivot low. So we want to see it stay above the low that we put in on Friday. Pivot and then come back up, and that kind of can mark a higher low, higher high trend change, and we can look for a longer term trend back to the upside. Now, with the sharpness of the sell-off we've had here in Bitcoin, one thing to keep in mind is that many times sharp sell-offs are met by sharp reversals, and vice versa. Sharp rallies are met by sharp reversals. So keep that in mind. We'll keep an eye on it. But so far, so good. I wouldn't be surprised to see this keep on climbing. The next big test here and the next day or two is going to be, can we get above 90,000? Once we're through 90,000, there's going to be a lot more resistance up here around the 93 to 95 area. But that's it for today. I hope it helps. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you want to get in the trading room and get these setups live with us, we trade every single day in the trading rooms here at Basecamp. All you got to do is go to bctnow.com/join, and you can join us there. But that's it for now. Until next time, everybody, good luck and happy trading.